Hi, I'm Natasha with Crystal D, and I'm going to give you a brief overview of our sales tools that we have available for you to customize. Let's go to the Sales Tools page on the crystal-d.com website. You can see it right here. You click on Sales Tools, and here we are on this page. If you are looking to access our catalogs here, you can see them here. These are our branded catalogs. You can also access them here. So you click on whatever one you're looking at. You can choose to scroll through, and these are the branded. You can click to look at it a little bit bigger if you want to do that for some reason. And you can click brand it and be brought to our Promo Corner account where you can brand these catalogs. Actually, let me click that again and show you that this button here, the personalized button, is where you go to add an image, which would be your logo, add text, things like that. And you do it one page at a time on Promo Corner. So you can do that with our catalog. Here's our branded version. You click brand, and it takes you to the unbranded version where you can then personalize. So these are our catalogs and lookbooks. That's how you can access those, scroll through them, share them with your customers. If you are looking for flyers, we have a flyers section here. You can click load more, load more, load more, and if you're just not seeing anything that inspires you, you can click ask what's new and send an email to our sales team, and they can get back to you on something new that suits your customer and your needs. You can also email your territory or account managers, and they can also give you some new stuff as well. Videos, blogs, and our social media if you want to share on some of this content with your customers. Let's go to the ideas page right here. Scroll down. You have all sorts of fun, inspiring things, ideas that you can share with your customer. If you say want to use this image and you want to put your logo on it, push use on social. This will bring you to Canva where you can click edit template, and you go over to move this, upload files, and you can upload your logo. Select it, upload it, and let's say it's uploaded. You click it, drag it, like so, and let's put it down here for now. All right, so you could then go on and share that. That is where you can find some social media inspiration as well, like this guy. Very handsome fellow. You can put your logo right here, some contact information, things like that. And again, we have more content. Just ask your sales rep or your account manager, and they can get some new stuff to you. We are all about providing you with the tools and resources you need to succeed. So let's say you want to access our catalogs through Promo Corner, which is where our catalogs are currently hosted. Our catalogs are also hosted on Zoom Catalog as well, but this is Promo Corner. Go here to Resources, click Catalogs, and once it loads, you select companies, you select Crystal D, and you can see all of our catalogs. Now I am logged in, so it allows me to see both the branded, and if I click versions, I can then see the unbranded. However, if you are not logged in, you will then only see the unbranded. So you will have to create an account to see the branded, but it's a free account. Just like customizing things with Canva, that may also require you to have a free account as well, but these are free accounts. So thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial showing you where our sales tools and catalogs are located and how you can access them. Get in touch with us if you want some more customized information or some help. Thank you for joining me.